3 no-face YouTube channel examples making $350 per day. Let's get into it. And the first channel we have here is Voyager. Now this channel is in the space niche, and the CPM in the space niche is quite high. It's not on the low end like a lot of niches out there, but this channel here, Voyager, they have 197,000 subscribers, and they're getting a good amount of views on each video. As you can see here, the reason they are getting a lot of views is obviously their content is good. They're uploading every 3 days, but the thing about the space niche is you're gonna want to have good thumbnails. See, like, I'm not really interested in the space niche that much. I do find it interesting, but I wouldn't go watch all these videos. Now, as someone who isn't that interested in the space niche, as you can see here, these thumbnails are highly clickable. They make me want to click, they make me want to watch. Now, if we check out their videos here, the most popular ones, we can see kind of roughly how many views there. Again, as you can see, this video here about Elon Musk reveals plan to colonize Mars, 2.8 million views 1 year ago. And as you can see, there are videos here 2 months ago, 1.1 million views. That is crazy. And if we quickly go over to the about section here, we can see this channel was started in 2020 and they have 38 million views, which is crazy. Now let's quickly just look at the Social Blade stats. And as we can see here, it says they are earning 6,000 per month. But as we know on Social Blade, these stats can be completely off. And they have earned 1.6 million views over the past 30 days. So it's probably safe to assume they are probably pulling in 15 to 20k per month. Definitely over 10k per month minimum with this channel, but I think it's closer to that 15 to 20k. Now on to the next one. And the second channel we have here is Animal Insider. Now this is a channel about, of course, animals. Now it is in the educational niche, so the CPM should be on the higher kind of side. Not really, it shouldn't really be like a $5 CPM, but as we know, the CPM doesn't really matter. It's all about that RPM. And as we can see here, they are doing like videos about, like, for example, the top 10 most obedient dog breeds 5 days ago. So they're uploading kind of every couple of days. Don't really see a kind of schedule there, but as we can see by the most popular videos, they've all been in the past year. All their most popular ones, they have been over a year ago. As you can see here, 10 things only Labradors owners will know. And if we go over here to the about section, we can see that this channel was made in 2018 and they have over 30 million views. Now if we take a quick look at the Social Blade here, we can see they're pulling in 8.6k per month if we go by a $4 CPM. But I think the RPM on this channel could be around $8. Never know, it's educational. The final channel of our 3 no-face channel examples making $350 per day is Subscribe to Make Money Time. I mean the Swedish Investor. My bad, I read the wrong script. And as we can see here, they are uploading kind of irregularly. As you can see here, 3 months ago, 1 month ago, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. But the good thing about this niche is it's in the finance and investing niche, so whichever one you want to call it. And as you can see, 2017 was when this channel was started, 38 million views. And as this is in the finance or investing niche, we can assume that what Social Blade says here is pretty inaccurate, as we know the RPMs in this niche can range from 10 all the way up to maybe even $40.